Our focus today is on how to turn on YouTube shopping, how to set it up. But before we go into it practically, there's something I want to let you know because many small creators have asked questions in respect to that, so they're troubled. Once you are eligible to turn on some features, monetization features on your YouTube channel, which I call early access, which involves super thanks, fast funding, and few other features actually, which involves you having at least 500 subscribers and watch hours of 3,000 watch hours on your long form videos before you will be able to turn on the shopping aspect. You first need to apply. After the application for you to get into the partner program of YouTube, it takes few days. Maybe my own took just 2 days. Some persons it can take more than that. After you are approved, after that you set up the membership aspect and super things. The shopping doesn't show up immediately. Yes, my own took up to 1 week for the shopping to show up. So if you find yourself in a situation whereby you are not seeing the shopping aspect of monetization, just hold on. It will show up after a few weeks. Okay. So let's just get into the real thing, which is how to set up your shopping practically. So open your web browser. Then visit studio.youtube.com and log in. Once you're here, come to this margin and click on End tab. You can see here memberships and supers are turned on already. Okay, you can see the shopping aspect that came up late. Yes, so it says shopping, connect your online store to YouTube, connect a store to promote your products like merchandise on your channel. So click on get started. Now this is a video guide. You can play it to see how it works, or you can go ahead and click on connect button. You can see YouTube has some online stores they partner with. Okay, the first one is fourthwall. This is newly added. It says fourthwall is a free and an easy to use merchandise platform for on-demand printing. Get free design perks if you have 50,000 plus subscribers. Okay, so it's free to use. The second option here is Shopify. Yes, Shopify is not free to use. You pay some money on monthly basis. Okay. Here is Spreadshop and Spring. Okay. Still, all of them are on-demand printing platforms. From these four, as a beginner, I will say you go with this, or with this, or with this. That's Spring, Spreadshop, and fourthwall. Shopify, you may not have the money to be paying every month, even though whether you sell or you don't sell. Okay, so any of these three will be cool for you. All right, what this does is that you can have a design of a t-shirt or cap or any digital design of your choice. Okay, upload it on their store, on their platforms. When people come to your store and buy that and say that they need that, these stores, fourthwall, Spreadshop, Spring, or Shopify will print that and then deliver to the person. Are you getting it? So that is how it works. But in this tutorial, we are going with this option, Spreadshop. So I'll click on that. So select any of the store you want to use and then click on continue. On this page, you can see connecting Spreadshop and YouTube. You can read through on your own time. Then the next step you need to take is come here and click on agree. Then click on accept. Tap on agree. All right. Here it says what? It says welcome to Spreadshop. Earn money with farm match on your YouTube channel. Your Spreadshop is always free. You can see that you don't need to pay anything. So here you get started. Click on get started. Here is on the assumption that I don't have any account here. It says Where do you live? Okay, so enter your country. So I'm from Nigeria. So, but if you're from US or UK or any part of the world, just enter your country. It will go through and click on next. Then you say our recommendation based on your location. We have chosen the following settings for you. So from this selection, you can go ahead and click on next. Now here it says register for free now. So put your details here, confirm this, click this and continue. In fact, with this, you're setting up an account on this platform immediately. Okay. After filling these details, check this box that I'm not a robot. Then check this box here and then click on get started now. We are landed on this page. It says log into Google to connect your YouTube channel with Spreadsheet. So I'll click on login with YouTube. This lists some accounts that have been accessed using this browser. So I'll select this. I'll click on continue. So these two are selected by default. So it's okay. Associate with personal information on Google and see your primary account's email address. It's okay. So continue. Okay, once you pass the previous step, you'll be landed on this page. You say almost done. But please, on the previous step, if you try doing that and it doesn't work, ensure that you allow spreadsheet access to your YouTube channel and the dashboard. Okay, that select, check the option, select all. Because when I did the previous stage, I passed it through a little bit stressed because of that until I allowed it to have access to my dashboard and another option. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be landed on this page. All right, so here it says that we should create a product. So I'll say your YouTube channel is now connected to Spreadsheet. How to create your first product and set up your store for your YouTube merchandise is shown here. Alright, so I'll click on create products. Welcome to your partner area. Upload your designs, create your products, and sell them to your target group. Okay, you can see your checklist, create products, set up spreadsheets. This one has been done, and this one have not been done as well. Alright, so I can check this and then start creating my product. Okay, by default here design is selected. You have this option statistics, you have this, you have this, but our interest here is on design. You say upload your design here and start creating products. Okay, he said I confirm that I am the owner of the copyright or license rights that and that I comply with spreadsheet quality and community standards. Okay, then I'll go with the option try now. You go with this option and follow the step-by-step guide. Okay, so upload more designs or just drag here. So I'll click here, then I'll select this option. This opens the downloads folder. I have a design I created on Canva. Look at this one here. So I will walk you through on how you can design similar things. Here I want to have a t-shirt design. All right, so in one of my upcoming videos, I will guide you so that you don't have difficulty in that. So I'll select this. I call it first whitey money. Click on open. Okay, you can see the design. It say always YouTube money. It's funny, but it's a cool design. So let's get deeper into this design. So I'll click on this. And here you can see men's premium t-shirt. You can see it suggests some stuff for me. Wow, these are beautiful. So so I have to go with one of them. Which one do I go for here? I think this is cool. This is cool. Okay, let's just go short sleeve first. Maybe later I'll go for this. So I'll click on this. Okay, you can see size here. Design size 7.66 by 9.84 inches. It's cool. It's cool. I love that. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So this black design on white. That's okay. Then the next step is easy to do. The next step is Click on done. Let's click on next button. So here say using metadata properly. Okay, so you have to give this design a name. After that, describe it, then add tags. Okay, the reason for this is so that people can be able to take a look or see this on search engines like Google and Bing and the rest. Okay, so I will fill this at the back end and we continue. Okay, you can see at this back end, you can see main t-shirt. That is for the name of the design. Description, this is a custom design main t-shirt. Okay, so a lot actually, this is the tags. When people search for similar thing on Google and Bing, this is the tags that they will use to discover my content. Okay, they discover this product I'm setting up. You can see men t-shirt. Okay, custom men t-shirt design, t-shirt sale, men t-shirt size, a lot, computer men t-shirt, software t-shirt design, tech shirt sale, YouTube t-shirt design. So if someone is looking searching for YouTube t-shirt design that he wants to order and wear, this can pop up on the search engine. Okay, and here we get this. Okay, then the next step is to hit on publish. Okay, we get to the next stage. You can see here we have got a few more tips for you. Please complete this checklist. Your checklist have create products and I have set up Spreadshop, and the third option is activate uh, and the third option is activate Spreadshop. All right, so click on continue. It says this shop is not online yet. Okay, launch your shop now and customers will get 25% off for the next 2 weeks. So the next step is just click on launch shop. Then fill your details here, your name, first name, surname, everything, and then done and continue to the next section. So I will do this at the back end before we continue. All right. Once you pass that stage, we see an interface that looks like this. It say boom, your shop is now open. Okay. Celebrate your grand opening with this great promo for your customers. All right. Then I can close this. Then I can click on okay. So you can see, look at what we have here. So you say, wahoo, you made it. Okay, you have made it. So indeed, we have made it. So we can close this. Let's visit our YouTube channel and see what we have there. Okay. And you can see here under manage product, you can see display products on channel is made active. Thank you. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we take technology and so many things in our world of today revolve around tech. So learn as much as you can to grow in the area of tech. All right, it's very important. That's number one reason why you need to subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section so that this video will be ranked. Okay, and hit that like button, very important. Please don't leave without hitting that like button because it will make YouTube to recommend this video to more people. Okay, watch this video to learn more on early access monetization. Okay, the step by step you need to take. Thank you and see you some other time.